What's up, guys? Pokemaster Reef right here. I wanted to show you guys how hard it is for me to get some of the Galarian legendary birds. So Moltres, Zapdos, or Articuno. You have a chance to get them in the daily incense every single day. I usually get about like one bird a week, but I have not caught one yet, and it's super difficult. In this video, it's kind of sped up, but you'll be able to see how it breaks out practically instantly. You know, there was a few rolls and I almost thought it was going to catch it, but it popped out and then ran away immediately. Let me know, do you guys get the bird more than once a week? And if so, has it always ran from you, or has it stayed after breaking out of the first Pokeball? Let me know, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.